Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing some fidget toy rating. So guys, it's not ASMR, but I am going to actually rate fidget toys. I was kidding with you, it's not ASMR. That's why I acted like I had my headphones in and I was whispering. So, let's get started. And I showed all these fidgets in the last video, but today I'm going to be rating. So I did ASMR with all these fidgets in another video. The Slinky, I like. So, I'm going to rate it 10 out of 10. So, I definitely recommend you buying it because what you could do is go. Then you could also go. Okay, guys. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna rate the Simple Dimple 10 out of 10 also because like these are amazing. Also, same goes for Rainbow or any pocket. It is a 10 out of 10 because why not? Like, so it's technically the same as the Simple Dimple. Look at that. They're over. These are not all my fidget toys. I'll rate the Wacky Track about a 7 out of 10 because it is really satisfying, although I don't play with it much. DIY Infinity Cube, about a 8 out of 10 because I don't play with it much like I said with the Wacky Track, but it is really awesome to play with. Infinity Cube, real Infinity Cube, 10 out of 10. Yeah, definitely recommend it. These are not all my fidget toys, by the way, like I said, because these are just the ones I brought on vacation with me. The joystick, this DIY joystick, yeah, definitely make it. I'm going to rate the Spiky Ball about a 6 out of 10. DIY Tangle, 9 out of 10. And then DIY Flicky Chains, bike chains are about a 8 out of 10. So I really hope that helped you all I really hope it helped you all figure out if you wanted to purchase them because yeah, they're really satisfying to play with. And yeah, guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video. But sadly, it's time for me to go. So bye. Hope you all stay safe and good night or good morning.